Hi, in this video, we will learn more about the average and Averageif functions. Average is a function that calculates the arithmetic mean of an array of numbers. It is simple to use. We need to type +average and select the array of numbers for which we would like to find the average. Let's calculate the average number of games played by selecting the range from E4 to E12. I'll close the formula, and here it is. Teams played 36.66 games on average. Averageif, quite intuitively, is a function that calculates the arithmetic mean of the numbers in an array when they satisfy a given criterion. In our example, we can decide that we would like to calculate the average number of points earned by teams which participated in the Champions League. The formula has 3 arguments. The first one is the range. We have to select the range of cells for which we would like to test a given condition. In this example, it is the column indicating whether a team participated in the Champions League. The second argument is the criteria. In our case, it is yes, as we want to find out the average only for those teams which participated in the Champions League. The third argument is the range of cells for which we would like to obtain the average when the condition is satisfied. The range is between F4 and F12. Once we have selected these arguments, our formula is ready. The results that we obtained indicates that teams playing in the Champions League averaged 72 points.